ENV101. All right, so I forgot to mention, yes, I had promised that I was going to talk about the Excel sheets. Now, okay, Excel sheets for your semester-long projects. Okay, this is the cloud project, this is the bird project. Okay, now I've provided a template for the cloud folks. The bird project can be easily adapted to that one. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now, some of you are turning in Excel sheets that have like your variables like bird 1, bird 2, bird 3 going down this way. Remember on my template, I have them going down in columns like 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. To make your lives easier, change the name, like the one where I say your name goes here, like change this name, change that to like whatever bird it is or whatever cloud it is. Okay, so like the first column is going to be cumulus, the next column is going to be nimbus. All right, whichever ones you want in there, totally fine. It's on you, it's your Excel sheet. Now, when you see that cloud, like say you see a nimbus cloud, you're like, boom, on this date, I'm going to put a 1 next to that, like in that column, okay? And then I don't see a cumulus cloud, all right? Well, fine, I'm going to put a 0 in that one, okay? So your 5, 6 set of columns are going to be like 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, that kind of thing, okay? Sorry, I am next to the airport, so yeah, you might get a little bit of airport sound here. So the reason for this is Excel likes numbers. Excel doesn't like words. It allows words, but to make your life easier, to actually do analysis at the very end and make your life easy, put in numbers. Like if you're doing birds, like, okay, I don't see any chickens. Oh wait, okay, there's a myna. Over there, I see a myna. Okay, and over there, actually, as I was starting to record, I saw a red-headed Brazilian cardinal. All right, so that's 1 each. Actually, there were like 2 cardinals. So in that column for red-headed Brazilian cardinals, I would put the number 2. Okay, so at the end of the semester, I'm gonna have like my dates going down off on the left side, and then on my columns, it's going to be like bird 1 or cloud 1, like whatever the cloud name is, whatever the bird name is, and there's just going to be numbers in all those. At the very end of the semester, you're going to get to that bottom, you're going to hit one button, you're going to hit the summation button, and it's going to sum up like all the nimbus clouds that you saw, and it's going to sum up all the red-headed cardinals that you saw. You don't have to do that anymore because it's doing it for you. That's the beauty of Excel. Okay, let it do the math for you. Then you can just go back and compare and say, oh wow, okay, so when it was like average temp was in the 90s, I only saw nimbus clouds, whatever it happens to be. Or look, like when I see pigeons, I also see cardinals. I wonder why that is. Like, is there a relationship? Or maybe they're both going for the same food source. You can start to see patterns or start to think about patterns once you have that kind of information. But in order to get there, to make your lives easier, just let it do the math for you. Okay. So a lot of you are like putting in words into these. Okay, like saying, I'm seeing cumulus clouds, nimbus clouds, and stratocumulus all in one cell. Okay, that's going to make your life difficult. Okay. So follow the template, change the names at the top. Okay, the bird one again, the bird one's easier on this. And as always, keep your images, just put them in a folder on your computer. That's easy enough. And then you can make comparisons. When you turn in your memos, make sure that you have all the parts. So that means you've got to be turning in your science selfie. You go, look, clouds. All right. And you've also got to be like saying, like, there's a snapshot of the cloud. Okay. And also, I need to see your Excel file, like just a screenshot of your Excel file, because I want to make sure that you're all staying on top of the ball. All right. So thanks again for being here. This is the part that I forgot. Let me know if you have any questions. All right. Cheers.